Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update from the advisory desk. Today being the last session of the week. Tomorrow we have a public holiday. So today the market opened on a very flat note again. Though a bit higher on the Sensex, kind of mirroring the upmarket trading Asian indices. The Nikkei, the Hang Seng opened in the green and were trading in the green when some data came in from the China as like their import-export data were better than estimates. Though in some parts they kind of lagged on the imports and the exports were due less, but overall they managed to pop up in the green. So that led to a cheer among the Asian indices, and we are seeing same kind of a buying again, or maybe we can say kind of bottom fishing in those hammered stocks today. The Sensex, while I'm talking to you, is up almost by 110 points. Today we are seeing kind of real estate sector, the banking, as well as the metals, and some participation from the FMCG and pharma companies. Now I would like to go for the real estate sector, which was kind of hammered because of various reasons like the high interest rates and tight liquidity condition and low sales. But again, kind of they have bounced back. Like DLF, the stock hit kind of 120 and now it's almost trading up by 135 rupees. So these stocks have kind of found some kind of level of a bottom where we're seeing kind of some buying happening in those stocks. There's also HDL and India Bulls Real Estate, which have kind of bounced back almost and trading up by 5 to 7% on the intraday basis. On the metals pack, we are seeing Jindal Steel and Power is almost trading above the 200 rupees. It was almost down at 185 rupees in the previous last session. We're seeing kind of JSW Steel kind of finding some buyer at this level. Tata Steel is one of the front runner, up by almost 3.5%, trading comfortably above the 200 rupee mark at 214 rupees. So kind of we're seeing some activity, some positive build up in these stocks which were kind of hammered badly by last week and the previous sessions. There are a couple of stock updates and results update. First, I would like to mention about the Gujarat Gas, which shares rallied 13%. After the quarterly results announced, 100 crore was the PAT compared to 52 crores on last YOY. So that was almost double the jump in the PAT. So that reflected in the stock price, which is about almost 13.5%. Ranbaxy came out with the results, though it was kind of bad, but it was not as bad as the analysts estimated to be. The forex loss kind of narrowed a bit, so that was a good. They have a one-time goodwill impairment cost of tune of 150-160 crores. So that was taken out in the books in this quarter, which kind of did affect the profitability and the operating margins. But nevertheless, the company did manage, and the stock is doing pretty well, up by almost 12.5% today. MOIL came out with the results. It was better than the estimates, and the stock is up by another 2.5%. Friends, Tata Motors came out with the results yesterday, though the standalone was not that good, but the consolidated one, comparing the JLR revenues, supported the Tata Motors stock again, and the company did manage to do well kind of compared to the previous year. The stock opened almost 3.5% and it's trading kind of strong with good volumes. Friends, we have also a couple of stock broking firms have rated their kind of earnings on Ranbaxy and Tata Motors and also on Dhampur Sugar. So kind of we'll see some kind of good activity going on for these stocks, and we might see kind of some bounce back in Nifty as well. Taking this trend, we coming out of the forex update. Rupee has strengthened a bit by 30 paisa. 61.08 is kind of the rate going on vis-a-vis the dollar. That's all the updates we have. For more updates, we'll get back to you in post market. Thank you.